So welcome to my 2021 fall house tour. Come on in. I cannot believe this year is almost over, but I love the fall and I just can't wait to show you all of the thrifted items I've picked up and how I styled with them. If you saw last week's video, you would have seen that I picked up this painting from a thrift store in Lake Wales, Florida. I love the fall colors in it, and I don't have a frame for it yet, so I just put a couple of screws in the back and attached some sisal twine to it and attached it to that pegboard that I also found at an estate sale a couple of weeks ago. So it's all coming together.
Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me?
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but
This is another one of my thrift store finds. I love that I've been able to use them and they look fantastic.
but I will make you forget.
Okay, so if you've seen any of my latest videos, you would have known that I just got back from being away for 2 weeks. When I got back, I could not find my remote control anywhere. And I thought, okay, I'm gonna have to look under the couch. I don't know what I was thinking, but I moved my couches, and when I did, well, this was actually a sectional, I realized, you know what, now's the perfect time to rearrange the furniture. So that's what I did. I took the corner piece out, moved it to the other end, and then put the chaise in the storage. And so I love the way it looks. It'll work right now, and I I think it's gonna stay this way for a little. I feel like my room is so much bigger without that chaise. I don't know. Anyway, I like it. It gives me a lot of space in here, and I'm pretty happy.
Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me.
For most of the florals, all I did was change out the green, summery, springtime flowers and added some fall flowers. And it goes with all of my accessories. It looks great.
Good vibes, we are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes.
So if you've seen any of my older videos, you would have seen that I made this mantle. And when I did, I wanted it to mimic one of the faux fireplaces that I've seen at Magnolia. And I did, and I listed it on Facebook Marketplace, and it almost sold, but they said it was a little too big for their space. But I took it off because it was Christmas time. I had already decorated it, and I've kept it up all year, and I love it. But I believe that I might have something else in my mind as far as what I'm going to do in this space. So I might list it again. I'm not sure yet, but it'll be a next year's project, maybe springtime. We'll see. But it's so cute. It really does look good with everything I put on it. But I have been inspired lately by some of the more primitive ones that I've seen. And anyway, that'll be a next year's thing. But look at this. I love how this mantle turned out with the turkeys and all of my fall finds. And I'll just let you take a look.
Past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Still got your smell wrapped in my bedsheets. Don't wanna wash it away. I know sometimes I get too caught up in all of the wrong things, but you're always there to guide me. I used to be afraid to fall in love. A past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore.
So another one of the finds I found at last week's thrift haul was this board that had the beautiful floral painted on it. You know, green is not normally something I've decorated with, but I've loved putting it in all of my spaces. So I thought it was perfect for fall and perfect above the door.
You showed me how to heal. Took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart. I can't.
Fall definitely is one of my favorite times of year. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. I do a lot of DIY, and I cannot wait for Christmas. I'm going to start doing that pretty soon. But thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Same old story. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning.